Hi, Murray Tigers. I'm here with your tutorial on how to do this week's news quiz assignment. I know you all know about news quiz, but we're going to do it all online this week. So here's your assignment. You're going to click on it and you will see something like this, but you will also have a third link. It says view this tutorial. Then the next thing, after you finish this, you need to open up both of these links. So I'm going to open this link. It's going to open it in a new tab. I'm going to go back to my classroom tab. I'm going to open this link and it's going to give us a Google form in a new tab. And I'm going to wait for the Google form to come up. And it is loading and loading. Okay, the first question is your first and last name. So I'm going to fill that. I'm going to go ahead and fill that out. And then the first question is the challenge question, but I have to start watching. So I'm in this tab, I'm going to click the newbie news quiz tab and click on the video and start watching it. When it pops up, I think everybody is probably online learning, and that's why the internet is so slow. But here we go. Yep, it's trying to connect. Okay, and here comes the video. You're going to press play and listen. We're going to go to the challenge question. When you get to the challenge question, it says the phrase spring forward and fall back often refer to a change in what? You're going to pause it right here. You're going to go to your Google form and you're going to answer it. Then you're going to go back and watch more. This is last week's, so this will not be this week's questions, but you're going to go back and watch more. And I'm fast forwarding to some questions. Okay, so when they give you the questions, after you've heard it, you go back to your Google form and you choose your answer. And then after you have answered all the questions at the bottom, you will click submit and you are done with this. You can exit out of there. Then you are done with your news quiz. And hopefully you will go back to your class assignment. And the last thing I said is to tell me your favorite book and why. So I would type Anne of Green Gables because it was the first chapter book I read all by myself. Actually, it was the first large chapter book I read all by myself. And then I click post. And it's done. I can't wait to hear your books and see your answers. And remember, it's simple. You just go from tab to tab. Just click from one tab to the next. I hope you all are all doing well. I miss you. Send me a message or a comment, and I'm happy to answer any questions. Bye.